This is Alex. Alex loves baseball. For him, there's nothing like the drive to the ballpark, with anticipation in his eyes and a firm grip on the steering wheel. His bat has endured a lot of impact, a direct result of his success on the field. But while some things are meant to take a hit, others aren't. And when it comes to his truck, he strives to keep it picture perfect. EasyCare's Paintless Dent Repair, the industry's only Motor Trend recommended Best Buy, effectively removes those minor dents and dings on painted sheet metal surfaces without harming your vehicle's factory finish. Repairs can be completed at your dealership or wherever you're located, with a lifetime warranty and no deductible. That way, you'll increase your vehicle's trade-in value and keep it looking as new as the first day you drove it home or to the baseball field. Swing for your goals. We'll take care of the rest.